What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look at these nice and beautiful question on the board that we're going to be solving. And the question says, find the value of x for which 8 to the x is equal to 48. Well, our first step will be for us to take the log of both sides. So I'll take the log of 8 to the x equal to, I'll take the log of 48. Well, our next step will be for us to apply the law of logarithm, which says, for example, when I have log a to the n, this is equal to the n, which is the exponent, can be written as a base times log of a times log of a. So let's apply this law of logarithm to what we have here. So take the exponent, which is x, as a base, and multiply that with log 8. So times log 8 equal to log 48. So log 48. Our next step will be for us to divide both sides by log 8. So I'll divide the left hand side by log 8. I'll also divide the right hand side by log 8. So log 8 cancels log 8, leaving behind x to be equal to, now log 48 can also be written as log, now 48 is same as 8 times 6, that's it, all over log 8, so log 8. Our next step will be for us to apply another law of logarithm, which says when I have, for example, log m times n, this can be written as log m plus log n, which is the multiplication to addition law of logarithm. So let's apply this property of logarithm to what we have on the numerator. So we have x to be equal to, so log 8 times 6 is same as log 8 plus log 6, just as we have here, all over log 8, so log 8. Now let's split the fraction. So we have x to be equal to log 8 divide by log 8, so divide by log 8 plus log 6, so log 6 divide by log 8. So that is how to split fraction. Now log 8 divided by log 8, I'll have 1, so that I have x to be equal to 1 plus log 6 over log 8. Let's continue on the next slide. Our next step will be for us to simplify log 6, so that we have x to be equal to 1 plus log 6 is same as log 3 times 2, all over log 8, log 8. Now let's apply the law of logarithm over here, which says when I have log m times n, just as we did in our previous slide, this is equal to log m plus log n. Let's apply this to what we have here. So we have x to be equal to 1 plus, now this becomes log 3 plus log 2, all over 8. So all over log 8 rather. Very good. Now let's split this fraction. We have x to be equal to 1 plus, now splitting the fraction, we have log 3 all over log 8. So log 3 all over log 8 plus now log 2 all over log 8. So log 2 all over log 8. So this becomes x equal to 1 plus log 3. So log 3 all over. Now log 8 is same as log 2 cube. Since 2 cube is the same thing as 8 plus log 2 all over log 2 cube, which is 8. Well, our next step will be for us to apply the law of logarithm, which says, for example, when I have log a to the n, this is equal to n log a, which is making the exponent a base and use it to multiply log a. So we're going to be applying that here on the numerator, on the denominator rather. So let's go. So this becomes x equal to 1 plus, this is log 3 all over. So the exponent becomes a base, which is 3, then times log 2. We'll do the same thing here. So we have plus log 2 divided by 3 log 2. So log 2. Now, watch what we have. This is x equal to, now I have 1 here. So 1 plus, now what do I have here? This becomes 1 because the coefficient of log 3 here is 1. So we have 1 here. So this is 1 over 3 log 3 over log 2. That's it. Plus, this is same as 1 over 3. So 1 over 3. Now log 2 can cancel log 2. Our next step will be for us to add like terms. That means I'm going to be adding 1 plus 1 over 3. Let's do that on the next slide. So let me bring this close since they are like terms. I have x to be equal to 1 plus 1 over 3. So plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 times log 3 over log 2. So let's simplify what we have here. So x now becomes 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, that's 4. So 4 over the denominator 3 plus, this is 1 over 3. Now I'm going to be applying a change of base here, which is a property of indices, which says when I have log a all over log b, for example, this can be written as a change of base as log a base b. So let's apply this property of logarithm to what we have here. So log 3 over log 2 can be written as log 3 base 2. And this is our final answer. So let's check. So I'm going to be writing check here. The question given to us is 8 to the x equal to 48. So let's write this here. So this is 8 to the x. X is what we have here, which is 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 base 2. Well, according to the law of indices, if I have a to the m plus n, this is equal to a to the m times a to the n. So let's apply this law of indices to what we have here. So this expression can be 8 to the 4 over 3. Now times 8 to the 1 over 3 log 3 base 2, just as what we have here. 8 is the same thing as 2 to the 3, which is 2 cubed. and this is raised to a power of 4 over 3, so 4 over 3 times 8 is same as 2 cube, and this is raised to the 1 over 3 log 3 base 2. Remember, we're supposed to have 48. We're supposed to have 48. All right, watch. So according to indices, powers multiply. So 3 cancels 3. So I have 2 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th is same as 16 times. Now 3 cancels 3. Now there is a property of logarithm which says if I have a base here, which is the same as the base of the log, that means I'm going to be taking the number. So notice that the base here is 2 and the base of the log is also 2. So I'm going to be taking the number, which is 3. So what I have here will be 3. And this is equal to 48, which is on the right hand side. So the left hand side is 48 and the right hand side is also 48, making our answer valid. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.